Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming that your breathing stops are central, not obstructive. Schedule a full polysomnogram and get cardiac labs and an echocardiogram. Once done, treat any heart failure or metabolic drivers. Make sure to stop sedating medications and remove reversible contributors. This narrows options to targeted therapies. You act quickly because addressing underlying causes changes the pathway. Make the diagnostic results available to your sleep and cardiology teams so the next step can proceed without delay. Once diagnostics and cardiac screening are complete, you trial non-invasive ventilatory support to stabilize breathing. Start an adaptive servoventilation trial if appropriate. If ASV is contraindicated, use CPAP or BiPAP with a backup rate while you monitor closely. Make sure to titrate settings in lab or with remote titration and review device reports for residual central events and nocturnal oxygen. You engage the sleep tech and cardiologist to evaluate response over days to weeks so you can decide on a durable solution. If central events persist despite optimized medical care and non-invasive therapy, you pursue a definitive implant, transvenous phrenic nerve stimulation. Arrange referral to a qualified electrophysiology or sleep surgeon. Once evaluated, complete preoperative imaging and perioperative planning. After implantation, you follow up for device titration, monitor symptoms and sleep metrics, and continue heart failure management. Troubleshooting tip: if symptoms recur, recheck device leads and settings, reassess fluid status or new medications, and coordinate urgent reprogramming with the implant team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.